Hey guys, Vijay Art here, and today I'm going to show you how to build the fuselage of a Lego 737. So these are the pieces you'll need. Pause the video if you like. Okay, so now that you've got all the pieces, we're going to start building. First thing you want to do is have a base. So we're going to be using this 8x8 plate just for an example because we're going to build a section of the fuselage. Okay? Then what you're going to want to do is just line the outside with these 1 by something plates. So just line the outside with that. And then once you have that, you're going to want to do another layer of that. Okay, so once you have 2 layers of those, you're going to put some inverted slopes on it. Just put them all along the edge here. And then same with the other side. Okay, now once you have that, you can work on the bottom. So for the bottom, you're going to want to put some more plates lining the edge, like so. And then, likewise, another layer. Okay, so once you have those 2 layers in the bottom, you should have 5 stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and some inverted slopes in the top. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to want to put some more inverted slopes on the bottom, just like you did with the top. This time, you're going to connect the top to the bottom, like that. And then, of course, you're going to want to do it all throughout the bottom, one side, and then the other side. And if you don't have that kind, you can just use 2 of these. Okay, so now we got those, and then you're like, oh, there's like a space there. Then when you press on this, it breaks. So what you're gonna do with that is, so this is my mistake. You're supposed to put like plates there so it can rest on those. So if you put on these plates already, sorry about that. I didn't know how to do that. Okay, let me try that again. So, before you put on those inverted slopes on the bottom, you have this, right? You're going to actually put on another layer of plates here. here. And then let's see here. Okay guys, so just now I realized that wasn't enough pieces. I apologize. You're gonna want 2 of these 2x8 plates. If you don't have those, you can use 2 of these 2x4 ones. Yeah, so sorry for that mistake. Anyway, so after you have that, you're just gonna fill in the bottom here with these plates here. Okay, now we can put these on, these plates that were in the original video. And then this one. Okay. Now we can put the inverted slopes on. Yeah, sorry for all that confusion. You can replay the video if you don't know how I did that. So now, like before, we're putting these inverted slopes on. Where's the camera? There it is. Okay, so we have the inverted slopes on, finally. Now you're gonna put the windows on, which look like this. You can get like one piece, which is half this, but I like to buy these because they're easier to put on. So you are just gonna connect them right on top. Oh, okay. I'll go get that. Okay. So, sorry about that. That just came off. So, you are gonna put the windows on like on top of the inverted slopes here, like that. And same for this, like this. So you have this, right? Then you're gonna wanna take these other windows and put those on like that. So you have this, which is starting to look, I guess, kind of like the fuselage of a plane. And again, guys, I'm not building the whole plane. That would take a long time, but I'm just showing you how to build the fuselage. And I'm just demonstrating with like an 8x8 plate section of it. So yeah. Sorry if you're looking for how to build a whole plane, but if you can build this, you can kind of build the whole plane. Okay, anyway, the next step is to put the seats in. So the seats, you can see this is pretty small, and the seats are not to scale, obviously. So you're gonna have to just do like a 1-1 configuration. Anyway, so put the seats by the windows because everybody likes window seats, don't they? And then just put the seats like one set apart like that. And you're gonna put 3 on each side of this. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna put some plates in between, just for the smooth tiling of the floor. So put some tiles. Put some Lego tiles on the floor there. And this is the floor. And then you can just put these grate or whatever kind of tiles you want to put in between the seats. And again, I'm not doing to color, like, of course the plane doesn't have like red seats and blue underside and a gray and white bottom, or white windows with the weird ledge, but yeah, I'm just showing you how to build the basic thing. Okay, now then you want to do the other seat by putting this there. Now you have entire side. You have the entire side of this plane complete. So not the entire, but you have like the tiles there, you can see. Now we're gonna do the other side. So once you have those on, now we can start working on the roof. So you're gonna put the tiles on top of there, just so you can get like a better idea of like what's it gonna look like. Okay, so put the tiles on the floor like this. Sorry, I should have done that earlier. Then put these on top of the windows like this. Okay, now you have that, and we're ready to start the roof. Okay, for the roof, these are the pieces you'll need. They're a bit messed up, but if you can see, pause the video if you like. If you already have those pieces out, great, we can start building. Okay, now you're going to take one of these 2x8 plates and just keep putting these 2x2 white slopes on, or whatever color you have, like this. Then you're going to build another one of those. So the roof is one of the easiest parts, pretty much just repetitive. Okay, so you have both of these. You can put those away for now. Now, actually, no, you can't. When you have these, you want to take these 2x3 slopes and put these on top like that. Okay, now same with the other one. Okay, so you have these, and now take this and put these curved slopes on it, these 1x4s. I'll just put them on it like that, and do it for the whole thing. And if you don't have any more of these, you can use 2 of these. Okay, so now that you have these, you're ready to put this on. Just attach this to one side of it like this. Okay, so you have this. Now attach it to this side. Okay, you have this. And you have this. Nice. You have now a completed Lego 737 fuselage. Okay, so yeah guys, thanks for watching. Again, sorry this video is taking a long time because I dropped a lot of parts or I messed up. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this helped, and bye for now.